Welcome to Machinery Tech. Here on Machinery Tech, we cover everything from the latest and greatest tractors and combines to the most innovative new attachments and accessories. We also provide helpful tips and advice on how to get the most out of your agricultural machinery. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just getting started, we have something for everyone on Machinery Tech. So subscribe to our channel today and never miss a beat in the world of agricultural machinery. Spinach is a popular and highly nutritious vegetable, but harvesting it manually can be a labor-intensive and time-consuming task. That's where the spinach harvester comes in, streamlining the process and increasing efficiency. The spinach harvester is equipped with cutting-edge technology and specialized harvesting mechanisms. Its adjustable cutting blades delicately remove spinach leaves from the plants while minimizing damage, ensuring high-quality produce. One of the standout features of the spinach harvester is its speed and precision. With its automated cutting and collection system, it can harvest spinach at a much faster rate than manual labor. The Challenger MD875E is a rugged and versatile machine designed to tackle the most demanding agricultural tasks with ease. With its unmatched power, efficiency, and advanced features, it's a force to be reckoned with on the farm. Equipped with a robust engine and a durable undercarriage, the Challenger MD875E delivers exceptional power and traction. It effortlessly handles heavy tillage, deep ripping, and other demanding field operations, making it an ideal choice for large-scale farming. What sets the Challenger MD875E apart is its advanced technology. It features an integrated precision farming system, allowing for accurate guidance, automated steering, and precise implement control. The Case IH machine is a versatile and high-performance agricultural equipment that combines power, precision, and advanced technology. It's engineered to tackle a wide range of farming tasks, from planting to harvesting and everything in between. Equipped with a robust engine, durable components, and state-of-the-art systems, the Case IH machine delivers exceptional performance and reliability. Its advanced features ensure efficiency, productivity, and optimal results for farmers worldwide. With its modular design and a wide range of attachments and implements, the Case IH machine adapts to various farming needs. It seamlessly transitions between planting, cultivating, applying fertilizers, and harvesting, providing farmers with exceptional versatility and maximizing their productivity. Seeding is a critical stage in agriculture, laying the foundation for successful crop growth. The seeding machine takes this process to a whole new level, combining advanced technology and innovative features to optimize seed placement and maximize yields. Equipped with state-of-the-art seed metering systems, the seeding machine ensures precise seed distribution with uniform spacing. This technology eliminates seed waste and promotes optimal seed-to-soil contact, setting the stage for healthy and vigorous crop development. The seeding machine is designed to adapt to various soil types and crop requirements. With customizable settings for seed depth, spacing, and route configurations, farmers have the flexibility to tailor the seeding process to their specific needs, ensuring optimal results for every field. The New Holland CR1090 is the flagship combine harvester in New Holland's CR series. It's designed for the most demanding harvesting conditions, and it's packed with features that help you get the job done quickly and efficiently. One of the most notable features of the CR1090 is its powerful engine. The 13.5 liters FPT Cursor 14 engine delivers up to 653 horsepower, so you can power through even the toughest crops. The CR1090 also features a new VeraFlow rotor system that provides gentle threshing and superior separation performance. The New Holland CR1090 combine harvester is the most powerful and productive combine harvester in New Holland's lineup. It's designed for the most demanding harvesting conditions, and it's packed with features that help you get the job done quickly and efficiently. The Nextset agricultural machine is a revolutionary new system that can perform all of the major tasks involved in crop production, from tillage and sowing to harvesting and transport. It is a modular system, meaning that different attachments can be added to the base vehicle to perform different tasks. The Vicon Extra 332XF is a front-mounted disc mower that is designed for the most demanding harvesting conditions. It features a number of innovative features that make it one of the most efficient and productive mowers on the market. One of the most notable features of the Extra 332XF is its actively driven swath former. This swath former ensures that the crop is evenly distributed across the width of the mower, which makes it easier to pick up and bale. The swath former can also be adjusted to create a variety of different swath widths, depending on your needs. The OBXO four-wheeler is incredibly powerful. It has a dual-motor system that produces a total of 100 horsepower. This gives it enough power to handle any terrain, from paved roads to dirt trails to snow-covered mountains. The OBXO also has a very long range. It's equipped with a 100 kWh battery pack that gives it a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge. This means you can easily take it on long road trips without having to worry about running out of power. Bale mover machines are self-propelled machines that can be used to pick up, transport, and unload round bales of hay, straw, or other crops. They are typically equipped with a hydraulic arm and grapple that can be used to pick up and stack bales. Bale mover machines can be a valuable tool for farmers and ranchers, as they can help to save time and labor. Bale mover machines can be a valuable tool for farmers and ranchers who need to pick up and transport round bales of hay, straw, or other crops. By choosing the right machine for your needs, you can save time, labor, and money. When it comes to rice harvesting, precision, efficiency, and productivity are paramount. That's where Case IH equipment shines, delivering outstanding results for rice farmers around the world. Case IH offers a range of specialized rice harvesting machines designed to tackle the unique challenges of this crop. These machines are equipped with advanced technologies and features that optimize the harvesting process, ensuring maximum yield and minimal loss. The Case IH rice harvesting machines are equipped with powerful threshing and cleaning systems. They efficiently separate the rice grains from the straw and remove impurities, providing clean and high-quality rice output. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video.